When it comes to choosing a central air conditioner, there are several factors to consider, including smart controls and humidity management. In this guide, we will explore the best models for these features. We recommend considering the Carrier Infinity 2126 VNA1, Train XV20i True Comfort, and Lennox SL25KCV for their premium features. On the other hand, the Daikin FITDX6VS and Riemann Endeavour RA14AY may not offer the same level of smart controls and humidity management. Make sure to ask about the exact model, RE match, current specs, warranty registration, availability, and written installed quote when requesting quotes from contractors.